Hello everyone, ja będę here. Tokoz Tech is another flagship model from Czech manufacturer Tokoz. In a previous video I showed you the Tokoz Pro model, which is Tokoz most advanced model. Here is the Tokoz Tech, an interesting lock that is looks like a classic pin tumbler, but it's not. The locking mechanism is formed by some kind of split wafers. I don't know what else to call it, which work like classic pins. When picking, they give a slightly different feedback, and picking itself it's really good fun. We'll see how it looks soon. I'll just add one more sentence about gutting. To do gutting in a Tokoz locks, you have to knock out these two rivets. The core cannot be pulled forward like in a classic pin tumbler, so you have to knock out these two rivets and remove this steel bar. Alright, I will show you that later. Now let's see the guts. Okay, so when we remove these two rivets, we pull out the steel bar that is connect the two sides of the lock, and here we see something like this. Under this sheet metal are springs that works with these split wafers. So let's see what they look like. The driver wafer part, that's what I call it, looks like that. In this part, on both sides, on the top of this wafer, you can see a small cutout, and it works like a classic spool. Here. That is when picking, it gives a counter rotation to the car. There are also wafers with a small cutout here on both sides on the top, and they then behave like T-pins. Right, each of driver wafer looks the same. Okay, and the key wafers looks like that, and on the top of them it's a ball bearing that makes it easy to insert and remove the key. I'll try to show you that how they looks like, and nothing more special. Okay, let's see the car. That's how it looks. The keyway is quite paracentric, but here we have a lot of space to pick. Alright, there are also 4 holes on the core, in the core, for the passive pins, and two passive sidebar in this lock. We have one passive sidebar, but it's not effective at all. They okay here. Yeah, this passive pins and this passive sidebar as additional security, but this was not used in this one. Okay, what else? When picking, these wafers behave like tapered pins, which means you have to keep tweaking them until each one jumps below the shear line. For picking, I will use this beautiful custom pick from PKR Labs and this tensioner. Alright, so let's pick this lock. Okay, we have Tokoz Tech. So let's pick clockwise tension, and number 2 is binding, and number 4 again, number 2 and 4. Okay, click on 1, 2 and 4. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Number 5, number 2, number 4, okay, number 4, number 2, okay, that was number 2, and we have picked and open. So now let's gut this lock. chamber. Alright, we have drivers outside now. You have to very watch out for these ball bearings, because they really like run away. Okay, here we have the core. Yeah, here we have some thing, I don't know what for. Here we have housing. Alright, so that will be all. That was Tokoz Tech. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.